Yeah. Okay. Let's go backward here. It's an hour. I slept in again. I slept in again because I couldn't sleep. Sorry. I mean, I was laying in my bed till like 12. If I got up at 4, I'd be on 4 hours of sleep. That wouldn't be very good. I'm looking for the tape to dry up at 99.25. Let me see if the. Okay, so there is no 24 there. At 99 even, we uptick to 99.25, and then I'm looking for buyers on the inside prints. They only trade 3. We sit at 99 even on the bid ask. The Q seems to be thickening up on the bid, on the ask, I mean, and then 11 trades on the ask. I think, okay, good to go, time to get short because of the 12 that trades at even. And then we come back up, only 8 trades on the bid, 19 trades. Even better than that, it's being absorbed, and the 11 that traded at even wasn't absorbed, and we move lower, and I'm just looking for the 6 to empty on the Q, probably from inside prints. Then 1 trades on the 5 and we move lower. And now I'm looking for the other part of the distribution. I'll watch these orders pull anyway. 96.75, 97 even, 11 and 17. I'm trying to hit the bid here because, first of all, the 11 and 17 on the inside prints, the sitting of the bid and ask, and the absorption of 13 at even, which is what really piques my interest here. Then I pull and throw again, I think. Probably another short at 99 if we get up there. 98.75, 18, 26. Look how they're hitting the bid on the prints, inside prints. There's 52 there. It thickened up. 35, 36. Then 36 comes to the low side. Okay, first of all, buyers are willing to support prices at 99, at 98.75, which isn't good. But then 47 trades. So I think we're at an optimal place for a counter rotation. 47's trading on 98.75. It looks like we could move lower from here. So they pile in here at 36. They're willing to support higher prices for breakout. If price goes in the opposite direction, all those people are going to puke. I'm going to see movement down to VPOC off of those market orders. Either that or somebody's getting out. They bought, but if they bought here, it wouldn't exit as a market order. So it would have to be a short exiting at break even or somebody trying to hit the breakout on the inside prints, which is what it looks like. There's 36 here, 36 there. They're supporting the breakout as previously stated, but it doesn't move. And then 47 on the ask shows up as they're trying to break out. So sellers meet them at the opportune area. It looks like they're going to fail their breakout here. There's heavy absorption 8 o'clock into the session. The tape dries up, which is what I love to see. I think it might run just on them pulling the Q, but today the order flow is kind of more honest, which is funny to think about, but that's nonetheless the case. And then the seller shows up again. So notice how they only throw 17 at even this time, and 49 shows up on the ask, which is stellar for me. 1 trades, and then 6 trades, and then 20 trades on the inside prints. Price sat, from the bid ask perspective, price sat at even. Now we're at 98.75 and price is even lower. Uh, and we have the and we have sellers showing up on inside prints again, 98.75 as previously stated. So that's great for me. It's a wonderful trade. It's a beautiful trade simply. First the attempted buyout, the breakout from active participants on the buy side, then the drying up of liquidity at 99.50, 99.25, and the simultaneous counter rotation movement of the sellers, it's 98.50, 98.75, and then on the second half of the trade, the I'd say erroneous or large sell pressure at 99 even, which pushes price lower. And I'm just waiting for them to hit me out on the queue here. And the sellers participate again. They throw at 11 and 34. The fact that they threw, no, it's not a 34, it's just an 11. The fact that they threw 11 makes me think we could be going lower off of this, especially because of how much absorption happened. I think there's definitely a strong. I think there's definitely a strong movement to the downside here, just off of normal market function. That's exactly what happens. We jump 2-3 ticks to 97.75, and this would be a place to cover if you were trading off of those people who showed up at 98.75. There could be another short here at 99 even, but I don't take it. Sorry, I'm coughing, and I got my thoughts again. I was sitting there thinking. I was watching at 99.25, and I didn't see the rotation I wanted there. You can tell I was watching because my mouse is there. Okay, so 33 is absorbed. I think this is going to be a standard absorption and then a move up. Was that 24? Okay, never mind. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. We obviously come down to the end of the distribution. I'm just looking for a return pullback here. 10 and 11, 24, 2. Okay, 21. First thing, the buyers are pouring in at 70, 96.75, but the ask is not moving, and then 24 is absorbed at 96.50 on the sell. Then 30 shows up. That actually tells me I'm not in a good place. I'm not in a good place to place a trade yet. I'm looking for buyers to step in or the tape to dry up on the ask. I'm actually looking for the tape to dry up on the ask and the buyers to step in, which isn't happening. It looks like we could go lower here. We move up 2 ticks aggressively on the inside prints. I write that off as okay, good enough, a rotation in my favor. Frankly, I really want pressure from the inside prints. That's why I move my stop so much. Then 11 shows up at 96.75, which is actually good. It's what I was looking for. I think I can get a move in my favor here. 12 shows up, market orders. We got market orders. Buyers are willing to pay higher prices. Then 18 stacks on top of it, and we hit the ask again. And then tape dries up, we move lower. But notice how we came off of 96.50 on the ask, and now we're at 75, meaning the market is shifting higher as value adjusts. Probably dragged up by buyers. 11 trades on the bid now. $22 trades, 27, 20, and they hit me out. Look at all this absorption down here. I lose 2 trades here because of how funny the market is. I chase one. 75 would be a place to bid. Did I not place a trade there? No way, I watched it. That makes me so happy. No, I did place a trade. Okay. The 14, see the 10. Alright, absorbed in prices sitting there. I'm looking for the same rotation from buyers. I immediately get out because of, yeah, sure, 73 absorbed, 96.25. I immediately get out. Well, I actually take 2 ticks instead of one because of that pressure. I was looking for the buyer to show up, and sellers showed up heavy, even though price didn't move that much, you know. And it looks like tape is going to dry up here. I didn't even notice this. This looks like a run of day. People getting liquidated. It looks like tape is going to run up here off of them drying up and then buyers stepping in. We hold 25, 96.25, and then we move up. It's the same trade. I have like slime in my lungs or something. Boom, 10, 95, 25, 30. I think, okay, we're good to go. There's nothing there at 95, even 32. Sellers are gone. It jumps up a tick. We're good to go. And then they immediately sell it lower, running over 25. And they sit on 94.75 on the ask. So sellers want it lower. I take this as my moment to get out. I'm only taking two tick trades. Part of me is very emotional here. I think I've put in too much work to lose and let winners and let runners lose, or let losers run. Runners lose for whatever reason sounds better in my head. I put in too much work. I don't want to watch the tape anymore. I want to make money and trade. That's completely emotional. I should have let the trade run here. I should have pulled my stop away down to 94, right below the low of day, and managed the trade, even if it was going to be a loser. And I only realized that that's the right decision in this review right now. So that's why you review right after the session. Even though I took a tick loss, it probably would have turned into a winner here. But that doesn't matter whether it was a winner or not. What matters is the tape and the order flow, and making good trades. 95 is the return pullback part of a thicker distribution here. 25, 30, 95, 50, 1, and then price jumps up. Coming to 95 and we can't hit it. We're just sitting at 95.25 now. Seller shows up again, again. Buyer on the inside prints. We're holding 25 now. And then price jumps up. That looks like the last trade of the day. It was at 95.25. So just from a contextual perspective, we're running back into the high of day, off of 94.25. Let me fast forward here. I'm looking for the return pullback up to 96.75 in the longer on the longer term, but realistically, we're just looking at 95 right now. Notice how it sits at 95. That's good. Now I'm watching the inside prints. I'm not watching the queue at all. I just want to see who does what. So only three trades at 95.25. We move up, so it looks like the bid is hitting on the Q side, and then 10 trades on the 95 ask inside prints, and off of the 10, buyers immediately show up with a counter rotation for 26, and then we move up. We're up 4 ticks now. Did I miss my trade here? Yeah. I pull that order. We come back down to 95.25. We hit 95 briefly. Where's the trade? Unless that order I put in wasn't filled, and I'm just chatting nonsense. I guess I was. Nevertheless, I can't spend any more time on this. I'll see you guys tonight. I'm going to post another one. Same